In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a deleted meeting in Outlook. If you've just removed a meeting by mistake, don't worry, there are a few quick ways to get it back. And I'll walk you through them clearly so you can recover with confidence. First, open Outlook and switch to your calendar view. If the deletion just happened, the fastest fix is to undo it right away. Press Ctrl-Z on your keyboard to reverse the last action. This often brings the meeting straight back to your calendar, and it's the simplest solution when you catch the mistake immediately. If that doesn't work, or if some time has passed, check your deleted items, sometimes called trash. Go to your email folder list and click on Deleted Items. Look for the meeting you removed. If you are not sure which item it is, sort by date or use the search box with a keyword from the meeting subject. Once you find it, click the meeting. Choose Move, then Other folder, and select Calendar. That places it back where it belongs. If you prefer, you can also drag the meeting from deleted items and drop it directly onto your calendar in the folder list. Both methods accomplish the same thing. If the meeting isn't in deleted items, you may still be able to recover it from the server, which applies to Exchange or Microsoft 365 accounts. In Outlook, go to the Folder tab in the top ribbon. Click Recover Deleted Items from Server. A window will appear showing items that were recently purged from your deleted items. Browse or search for the meeting, select it and click Restore Selected Items. After restoring, return to your calendar and give it a moment to refresh. The meeting should reappear at its original date and time. A few tips as you work through this. If you are the meeting organizer, restoring the meeting returns the event to your calendar and preserves its invite details. If you were invited to the meeting, restoring brings back your copy so you can see updates and reminders again. If you don't see the Recover Deleted Items from Server option, your account might not be on Exchange or Microsoft 365, or your organization's retention policy may have already removed the item. In that case, the Deleted Items folder is your best bet. That's all there is to it. Undo immediately if you can, check deleted items, and, if available, recover from the server. Thanks for watching.